wow, really? There's a long screw. Okay,
give me that.
So what he did was...
Oh,
we took it out!
hey, good job. See, my handy woman. Alright, so now we're gonna go buy this.
Yep.
And change it, and then cool.
Oh, well done.
Oh, good job. It really is quite easy. Alright, so we bought this lock. It's called a thumb turn lock. Thumb turn lock. Thumb turn lock. And we got it from
Hardware shop.
the hardware shop. But I think you can get it from like a self-fix DIY shop as well.
Yes.
It cost us about $20 over. So yeah, it's a slightly different color. I guess you all can't see, but it's slightly different color from the door.
Move here a bit. So you can see from here.
Slightly different color from the door, but you know, it's okay. Doesn't really matter. Alright, my handyman is now gonna install it. So
put it through. You just need to find the hinge. Yeah. I need to find it.
is my handyman doing it right?
Yeah. It's not coming out.
So here's the problem.
Oh my god. Okay.
We have two thumb turn locks that look exactly the same.
We measured.
Okay. 70 mm, 70 mm. See? It looks the same, right? All the hardware shops that we went to, locksmith hardware shops, they said this is what we need.
Exactly the same.
And this is exactly the same. So this is the old one. Okay? And this is the new one that we got. Here's why it didn't work, and here's the problem. This is so stupid. You see these two little parts here?
Oh, I need to block my face.
Yeah, I need to block your face. Alright. See these little things here? They're different widths. Can you see? This is much narrower than this. Can you see? The width of it is 5 mm. This part, 5 mm thick. This is normal for almost every single HDB thumb turn lock.
Yeah.
And every single hardware shop that we went to 7 today. Every single one sells it at 5 mm. This is the one that came with our flat. Okay, it's by this brand called... Block your face, please.
Oh.
It's by this brand called BLIY. Can you see BLIY? BLIY? Okay. This is the only lock in the whole world that is 4 mm thick. We are 1 mm short. And that's why
you cannot go through the hinge.
And that's why this lock didn't work.
Yeah.
Try and file this down to 4 mm.
$2,000 years later.
Install it
Permanently. This is how easy it's supposed to be.
Yeah, okay, so you're supposed to go in, and then this one align, and then you just turn. Find the... Down!
Wow.
See? And we're done!
See how much it comes.
Yeah.
It's
a double lock.
Oh, awesome.
Oh
my god.
It's like a 5 minutes, no, 3
It was supposed to be a
3 minutes
job.
3 minutes
But it
job.
became a 1.5 day job.
Okay, let's try
Did it
again.
work?
Well done.
Awesome. This thumb turn lock cost us about $22.
Yep.
And buying the file to file it down cost us $3.90. So altogether this cost us about less than $30. Yes. So based on some research, if you wanted to get the locksmith to change this for you, it'll probably cost you anywhere between 70 and upwards, I guess.
Yeah.
So it's really worth it to do yourself lah, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
Yay! We did it!
High five again.
Yeah.
It's really hot in here. Oh yeah, in case you're wondering, we've changed to a different style of shooting. So we're not going to be doing the subtitles anymore. We're just going to talk. So let's see if that's more interesting for you guys, rather than reading the subtitles.
Yeah. But with subtitles too.
Huh? No subtitles? No.
What if I'm in an MRT and I cannot read and I can't hear?
Then you should go home and watch it with full sound.
Okay, I think this is just the first coat.
Yeah, I see. Can still see the.
Ouch. Oh, sorry.
Can still see the left behind. Whatever's been left behind.
Actually, they like.
I think they sandpapered it down.
Yeah.
There was some residue left behind from the old like sticky wallpaper, I think.
Yeah, I think they're going to paint the door
Yeah,
too.
they said they're going to paint the
Right?
door.
That's why you see he marked this.
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Close
very
the door.
good. Oh wow! Let me see whether can on the light. Yay! Today we can see the light. Wow! See, they paint this area. Actually, it was like very rusty. The
Where?
corners, all these corners, it was actually very rusty. Then he paint have a layer of coat.
Okay, so this is where the acrylic panels are gonna go together with cove light lah. I think that's the normal thing that people do with the HDBs nowadays, right?
Now you can see clearer the
Oh,
two
yeah.
different colors.
Oh yeah.
Oh, actually quite nice, huh?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Wow.
Okay, so this is the common bathroom.
Yep. Bathroom.
Turn off the lights, please. Thank you.
Okay.
Painters probably wondering what we're doing.
That's like master bathroom. Okay.
Oh, he's painting the door. Hey, you wanna go and paint?
Oh yeah. Okay. Let me do this first.
Okay.
Here also same,
So look
but
at
you
the
can see the master bathroom.
So the colors are slightly different for the tiles, but okay lah. Maybe you can't really see in the video. But yeah, they painted all this as well.
Yeah.
So he's painting the door now.
Yeah.
And somebody here wants to go paint too, which is why we are here actually. Okay, I'm gonna ask you whether you can paint.
Of course I can. Nah, how about this?
Some people.
可以让我油漆吗？我要油漆。
你要油漆啊？
对，让我油漆。
你要油哪里？
这边呢？
这边我已经油了，等下我帮你。
里面让我油，等一下你才弄美美 ，OK？我油来拍照。
不用给钱的，免费的工。
你弄好先。
你 say this girl，搞笑哦你。
It's like giving the wall a scrub.
Do I trust her to do a good job?
Okay, I will start.
Okay.
Let's go.
So it's a good thing that she's painting the inside of the bomb shelter. So if in case it looks horrible, right, it doesn't matter as well lah.
Yes.
So that's the thought behind why she's painting just the bomb shelter.
It's actually a good job.
Are you sure?
Last time, what we were taught, paint half, then half of it again, half of it again, half of it again, like that. Then it will be even. You know?
All right.
Yeah. Okay.
Is it you're done?
Yeah. You want me to paint the whole wall?
Okay. Was that fun? Just
No.
painting, right?
Huh?
But you just want to say that you painted a bit of our inside wall, is it?
Yeah. I can paint the whole wall if you want.
No, it's okay. That's what the painter's here for.
Yeah.
As long as you had fun.
Yes, I had fun.
Everywhere you go, you're reminded of the virus. Even our tiles brand is Marker Corona.
I thought of the liquor. I thought of the beer. I thought you were talking about beer.
You want to drink beer, right? No beer for you. You just have vaccination.
See?
Oh yeah, look at the vaccination.
It's like puffed up.
So we took our second jab yesterday? No, 2 days ago. We took our second jab 2 days ago.
It's
Ew.
puffed up. And then you see it's red. The first one wasn't like that.
Yeah, so we took Moderna. And then we had fever and
My
body
highest
aches.
38.7.
Yeah. We had fever, body aches, headaches. Anyway, I'm glad we are vaccinated. Yay!
Oh, my sweet
The floor is done. Wow! Wow! Okay, so this is our vinyl. Oh, we overlaid vinyl onto the existing tiles. Oh, they did the skirting as well. Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow! So today is what day? Today is Tuesday of week 4, I think. I think it's week 4.
Oh, what is this?
Where?
What are these?
Ew.
It's like
Oh, I don't
dry
know.
stuff.
Yeah, I guess they gotta clean this.
Okay.
Oh no.
Oops. Silly.
I know they gotta touch up some of this.
Yeah, I guess.
It's a bit dirty when they installed the vinyl, so they gotta touch it up. Look at our doorways.
Wow, it's so
Yeah, actually not bad. we were thinking whether or not we should do just a color that matches the color of the door, which is quite light, which is the original color.
Black.
But I thought, okay, why don't we try matte black? I think matte black works out quite nicely.
Quite nice, you see?
Yeah.
It looks as though
it's like wood, right? Looks like though it's wood, right? Yeah. So matte black turned out quite nice.
That is good. They installed this thing.
Okay, our cove lighting is in. They just have to put the acrylic panels.
Oh, okay. So we can have like that?
Yeah.
Oh, so dreamy.
So dreamy. You can have a
this.
you can have a dreamy pool in the toilet.
Yeah, wow.
Nice.
I can see clearer.
Yeah, also this light is going to change as well though. The ceiling light. The ceiling light.
Without the doors, like, look very nice, huh?
Yeah, maybe you should just not install the doors back.
Okay, what's this?
So this is the master bath. Yeah, they've done that as well.
Oh, okay.
So again, the light will change as well, lah.
Okay.
So actually, the two colors, right, of the light might be about the same. Cause I think I got like a warm white for the top light as well.
Okay. Huh.
Yeah.
It's actually quite nice, huh?
Yeah. This is our master bedroom, which we've now painted as well. So if you can see, this wall is where the bed is gonna be. It's gonna be excuse the broom, but yeah, somewhere where the broom is where the bed is gonna be, and then the wardrobe is gonna be like there.
Where this thing is.
Yeah. So we've painted this some grey. Kind of looks a bit blue, huh?
Yeah.
Now? But yeah, it's supposed to be
grey.
a light grey. But alright. I guess it's okay lah.
Nice.
Yeah, we just have one wall in the whole house that is a different color.
Yeah.
See, they've done a cap here.
Oh yeah.
I guess that's what they call it, a cap, to
Yeah,
to kind of
the
what do you call? I don't know. Okay lah, basically it's a cap lah from when the vinyl meets the parquet. Yeah.
Okay.
Which I guess is alright. Looks kind of decent.
They never paint. See, the paint came off.
Oh,
I guess because when they do this,
oh yeah, they probably like
damage this, right?
Yeah, so all these things will have to be done in touch up lah. We'll get them to come back and touch up all these little things as well. So this used to be a toilet tiles that was covering. Okay, if you can see the layer here, it used to be toilet tiles, the inside layer here, and they put the vinyl over my toilet tiles.
Yeah.
Actually, I thought the toilet tiles were nicer, but
how?
never mind lah. I guess nobody's gonna like go underneath the cupboard to see anyway.
Except me.
Okay. The workers have gone for a break because the door is kind of half locked, and I think what they're coming to do is probably to lay the protective cover layer on the flooring as well lah. I guess they will do that again after they've done the vinyl, because
So
this weekend we've got our
Cupboard.
no our toiletware and kitchen stuff coming in.
Yes.
And then I think next week they're gonna install all that together with the kitchen cabinets. So yeah.
Bye.